In a microwave-safe mug, mix the flour and sugar, cocoa powder, baking powder, and salt. Add the milk, oil, and vanilla. Stir until smooth with no lumps.
Fold in the chocolate chips if using. Microwave on high for 60 to 90 seconds. Start checking at 60 seconds.
Let it cool for 1 to 2 minutes before eating. Top with vanilla ice cream, whipped cream, chocolate sauce and powdered sugar, and fresh berries.
Wow! This is amazing!